everybody.
Hey.
It's Marianne.
I'm Laurie.
I'm Elaine.
And from So Right.
Okay, before we begin anything, you were interrupted when this segment started. What is this? What are you doing?
This?
Yeah, what is that? Because I see them all over the table. What is it?
It's a wish list.
What kind of wish list?
For the holidays.
A holiday wish list from So Right?
Yeah, these are things I want. That right now I'm not buying, but I want them.
So you mean we can actually shop in the store?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay.
I'm hoping you get a discount.
Oh, wow, we'll see.
But there's things that I want that right now I'm not buying.
Okay.
Maybe like this one is mine.
Okay.
When I do get it, but I can't afford it right now. So I'm putting it on my wish list that my family or maybe some friends want to call
A secret Santa?
a secret Santa.
Secret admirer?
Yes.
Okay.
And, well, the admirer. I got Henry. but they can call the
Jesse,
store.
even your dog,
Yeah, no,
could give you a list. I mean, a gift.
she's not gonna call the store. No. But wait, hold on. This is gonna be that you will get a link from our email to get this paper.
Okay.
And then what you could do is start filling it out. Your name, your email, your phone number.
side.
And that over here. And then over here, you're going to put what you want. Now, say you don't do this list. All you got to do is send us an email or call the store, 718-468-5858, and tell one of us what you would like on your wish list. And we're going to make one of these, if you call, we're going to make one of these in the store. It will be a paper document. It won't be on the computer. It'll be a paper document that we can start listing all the things that you want. Or like I said, you can send this back to us.
So kind of like a gift registry.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
So on my list, I want a new accessory for my Baby Lock Triumph, which is the new extension table. So I'm going to put this, and this came in yesterday, so I had already put in that this is what I want. So it's going to be behind the counter, waiting that when one of my family members calls and says, what can we get her? The girls will be able to look and say, we got it, it's right here. So that's something that I'd like. So I'm going to write that down on here. And on here, I can also put other things I want. I'm just going to show you things that I like, and then Laurie and Elaine are going to tell you things that they like.
Wait, okay, before you show me anything else, I have some more details to share. I don't believe we can hold your item on there indefinitely. When we put your item on the wish list, we would expect payment from that gift giver so that we can hold it and put it aside until the time is ready for you to get it, all right?
Oh.
And given that we have the contact information of the gift giver, we can make sure that we deliver it in the way that they want. Do they want to leave it at the store? Do they want it shipped? Are they going to come pick it up? We'll get some instructions as to how they want to give it to the recipient.
Oh, okay.
All right?
All right, yeah.
Okay.
So that'll be all on. We'll
Try. There's not enough room right here, but we'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So
What do you want? Oh, I don't know what I want.
I don't have a lot of expensive items, but things that I use all the time, and it just. If they can purchase this,
yeah,
listen,
quality.
These threads are the best, and I love them, and I go through so many of them. I would love to have that. I mean, Christmas stocking stuffers, okay? I also, the machingers, I've gone through a couple pair, but I could always use a new pair. So the other
great
thing
idea.
is, these are things I really would like. The tape for batting tape. This is just fabulous stuff. And you could never have enough of these. I find that I'm using them more and more. I mean, some things you need pins for, but sometimes this is even nicer. I mean, I don't stick myself with these. And I don't worry about the blood getting on my garments or anything I'm making.
important. That's important.
Blood, yes.
And then talk about these are wonderful. And when you wind up using them too long, and then it doesn't go through. You can always use them.
Hold on, I got to get some more for my wish list.
Honestly, these are probably one of those things like you never have enough of. And then there's always I do a lot of embroidery and stabilizers. I mean, it doesn't look like something great, but this one here is Stitch and Wash, happens to be one of my favorite. So that is a wonderful. Laurie's adding
I'm
to
making
her
my own
list.
pile now. You just gave me some inspiration. Thank
Yes.
you. Okay.
Well, and then there's always fat quarter bundles where everything goes together. Isn't this a beautiful group?
it has your name written all over it.
Doesn't it? It really
Yes.
does.
It
you know?
does.
And this is sort of a big ticket item that, it's like when your husband or your children are saying, what can I get you? You're going to get a blank. I get a blank. I won't have a blank anymore. I can put it all on the list.
Nice. Perfect.
Okay.
All right.
Laurie Ann.
Lori, you
What?
just went and got rulers.
I did.
And that, you know what it did?
What?
It reminded me that my big long ruler is broken.
See?
So now I
those
should
things
put that on
happen.
my list that I
Yes.
get a new ruler. And you know what's really nice about the new rulers is that they grip the fabric.
know.
They don't
You-
slide.
I know, that's why I thought I might get a square too. Different shapes.
So we're gonna, all the new rulers have a special coating on them that they grip the fabric. So as you're cutting, the ruler isn't sliding, which is really cool. So
These are my favorite rulers too. I mean, I have so many, but I went and splurged and bought these. But to get them as a gift would be even better.
Yes. There's no guilt involved because it was a gift. I know there's a bit of debate about this, but I do enjoy this rotary cutter. So that's why I can't do more. I mean, I can always have a second one because sometimes you misplace items. I dream about machines all the time. And the newest one on my list of dreams is this guy. So keep in mind, we'll have some special, pricing during the holidays for big machines, big sergers, big things like that. So just call us at the store. I have to call the store too and ask, or email one of us to figure that out. So this one's now on my list, but if that doesn't happen, I've also thought about updating my sewing room. New furniture, a cutting table like this, even like a new chair, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes you need chairs to glide around your room, and so you don't have to get up.
I Laurie hates to get up.
I hate getting up. Once I'm sewing, I want to sit my butt down and roll around my room. So chairs are also important, right?
So then maybe accessories to go with the machine.
Yes. So sometimes we have them packaged together, like all of these feet, right?
This is Bernina, but just
Right.
like
But-
other brands,
Yes.
there are the feet that are available.
Yeah.
But depending on the brand too, you could get embroidery hoops.
Right. Different sizes.
Right. Bernina
fit your
also,
project.
and the other companies,
Yes.
depending on the brand, is cases for your accessories to go into. These are all great things that we want. We love our toys.
More bobbins, so you don't have to keep rethreading your machine. So we've got.
I've got over
Go on,
70
Mary.
bobbins
I do
in my
too.
stash, but you can never have enough bobbins, so you're always going to want extras. I got these are for the class 15 bobbins. Here's Bernina bobbins, my Viking bobbins. The bobbin saver.
Yes.
I have 4 of these, and they're all filled with different bobbins, all different colors. And what's really great is because the bobbin locks in these, they just can hang on the wall, like on a hook or something. So you don't have to keep them flat.
And you can sort them too, right? If you've
Yeah.
got all
Well,
your embroidery
right.
bobbins.
Yeah,
in
the
one.
red
Yes.
ones you put is regular cotton, and the other one might be,
Right.
Yeah.
embroidery.
Then, markers. Love these markers. They're going to mark your fabric, and they get perfect, accurate lines all the time. So I'll even put this right next to my ruler, and I'll go and I get my perfect straight lines. The marks,
How do
they
you get
just
the markings out,
they,
though? I
they
forget
just brush away
Ah,
or with
nice.
a damp cloth.
Okay.
Other things that you might want to put on your list are accessory feet for your machine. Just as an example, my favorite feet are for the Bernina would be a number 10 foot. It's for edge joining and edge stitching, top stitching. Bernina, that's Bernina. And Bernina also, there's a foot, it's a number 55. It's a roller foot, great for using on leather and getting into tight places or doing heavy piping. In Husqvarna Viking, there's an edge stitching and an edge joining foot, favorite feet. In Baby Lock, Brother is an edge joining foot. These are all important things. Then we have a needle kit. So you get a pack. You get packs of assorted needles, and a tin to keep the packs organized, and you got a magnetic pin cushion in there.
Wow.
So you get the whole collection
I
in
never
the box.
saw that. Is that
So this is all awesome stuff.